And friends, I welcome you all to this new one. I have made a wonderful thing, so I'll show you now. So this is Mathix and alternative to Mathematica. So this is alternative to Mathematica, and it has very good functions. Okay, and you can see the PDF, online PDF, and there are even image related function. I have made a wonder out of it. As you can see here, this is Srinivasa Ramanujan's photo. So now what I am doing is, if you watch closely, you will understand. So this is the matrix formula. So this is not Mathematica. First of all, this is not Mathematica. This is an alternative to Mathematica called Mathix. Okay, Mathix, and also you can use this on online. You can use Mathematica online. So now it is not available. So image related functions, I have made some wonders. So what I have done is the Ramanujan's photo I have converted into this digitized text into binarized form. Okay, so I will copy this. Okay, I will copy this and I will just take it to the so-called here, and I may choose any one of the, what is this? I don't know what is this. So I may choose any one of the any one of the video, and I may just convert it. So I can convert any image. Like you have to import the image in Mathix, not this is not Mathematica at all. So then you have to resize it, and after without resizing it will look very big, as you can see from here. So you have to binarize it, the function. Like in Mathematica, in Mathix you have this function, and image data you have to change it, and you have to convert it into matrix form, and you have to what you have to do is, you can also do it in Mathematica, but this is an open source which is available, which I have just converted it. So you can copy this. So you can copy this, as you can see from here. This is the Joker's thing. Okay, hide for now. So this is the Joker's thing. So I am copying this Joker's image. Okay, I will show you. See, this is the Joker's image, which I have just changed it into a text format. As when I just, it is just doing, as you can see here, the Joker's image is being binarized, and the function for binarization is this matrix form. So you have to import it, image data, and binarize it, as you can see from here. Likewise, the Ramanujan's photo is also binarized. As you can see, Ramanujan is in zeros and ones. So this is the thing. So after that, what I am doing is that I am just copying it. Okay, I am just copying it, the Joker's format, and you can just copy this. Okay, it is just taking some time. Okay, having some issues, so I will just copy it again. So let's go till the last. Then you copy this and you take it to the here, and if you want to convert any image, you can use this command and convert it into zeros and ones, and you just take it here. So I am taking it to my channel. Okay, and I am showing you in community. Okay, in community I am just making a comment. Okay, I'm just making a comment. I'm just making a comment over here. You cannot, but you don't try to do this. As you can see, the Joker's image is in this. Okay, the Joker's image is in this. You just post it. Okay, you just post it and you just open it. You can see the Joker's image underlying in it. And also what you can do is, you can also convert the Ramanujan's photo. As you can see from here, Ramanujan's photo is over here. Okay, you can also convert it. When you just do this, you can see this Ramanujan's photo as seen from here. You can copy this and paste it. So the formula for this in Mathix, I have also converted Bahubali's thing, and also you can do it in Mathix. So Mathix is an open source software without Mathematica, so you can use this. Okay, you can use this, and what you have to do is, you have to take the Mathix server, use the Mathix server to do this. You can use pip install, you can use Python 2.7. So this is a wonderful thing. So for cyberbullying and everything, but don't do it in any YouTube channel, because this could result in spam. Okay, because I have converted all into ones and zeros. As you can see, this image is converted into ones and zeros. You can do this as spam without ASCII. So the title is without ASCII, how you can do it on Mathix. Okay, thank you. This is a wonderful tutorial, and remember the command, use Mathix. If you don't know how to install Mathix, ask me. So this is not Mathematica. So I am telling you again, this is Mathix. So you can use it in this form. Okay, Mathix has very good functions like Mathematica. As you can see from here, image functions and every functions are given over here. So this is the Mathix, then a lightweight alternative to Mathematica. So you have all the functions of Mathematica. You even have graphics and every function, so you can use it. So thank you, friends.